Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. Before starting the lesson, just we recall how to find the average. Here is the formula, children, to find the average. Sum of all scores in the given data upon total number of scores. Score means, children, each number in the raw data. Okay, children, this is the formula you have learned in your 7th standard. Now, children, we recall few more things. Frequency, tally marks and raw data that you have studied in your 7th standard. Here is the one example, children. The distance at which some children leave from their school is given below in kilometers. Here, children, we have collected some information about the student. This collected information is known as raw data. Here, in this question, children leave from their school at the distance of 1 kilometer, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here, children, each number in the raw data is known as score. Now we see what is the frequency. Here, children, 1 kilometer, right? So 1 kilometer, how many times repeated, children? See, 1 time, 2, 3 and 4. So the frequency of 1 is 4. It means 1 kilometer has repeated how many times? 4 times. Now we make a frequency table of this data. For making a table, we have to draw 3 vertical columns. First one is score, second one tally marks, third one is frequency. First column is of score. Scores should be entered in a ascending order, children, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last score is given in the question 6. So we stop at the 6. Now tally marks. Here, children, 1 has repeated 4 times. So in the tally mark column, we draw, children, 4 standing lines. In the frequency column, we write in number 4. Now next, children, 2. 2 score as repeated 9 times. So in tally mark column, children, we draw 4 standing lines and the 5th line we draw across the previous 4 lines. So you can easily see the group of 5 children. After group of 5, we draw more 4 standing lines. Total how many children? 9. In frequency column, we write number 9. In the same way, children, you can write remaining tally marks and frequency. Now, tell me, children, in which lesson you have learned average, tally marks and frequency? Yes, children, tell me. Yes, you have learned in statistics. So, dear students, in this video, we will learn 11th lesson statistics. Definition of statistic. Statistic is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of masses of numerical data. It means, children, statistic is a branch of maths. In statistic, children, we collect some information. After that, we study that information and after that, children, we have to present that collected information in a numerical data. That is known as, children, statistic. Now, we learn the meaning of statistic. Statistic, that a word is often used as we derived from the Latin word status. That means a group of numbers or figures. Those represent some information of our human interest. We find statistic in everyday life, such as in books or other information papers or TV or newspaper. Nowadays, children, everywhere we are using statistic to make our work more easier. Although in the beginning it was used by the kings only for collecting information about the states and other information which was needed about their people, their number, revenue of the state, etc. In the beginning, children, statistic was used by the king for collecting information about their states. Nowadays children, it is used in almost in all the fields of human knowledge and skills like business, commerce, economics, social sciences, politics, planning, medicines and other sciences, physical as well as natural. Now, we'll learn more about statistic. The average is also known as arithmetic mean or mean. It means children, in statistic, the average is known as mean. Now, move to next point. Arithmetic mean is denoted by X bar. X bar is a symbol of children mean. Now, the next point. This symbol is called as sigma or summation. Here is the formula to find the mean. Mean equal to summation fi into xi upon n. This formula is very important children to solve the sums. Now let's start children practice set 11.1. Question number 1. The following table shows the number of saplings planted 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Here children, the question is given. Here 3 columns are there children. In the first column, number of saplings, that is xi, scores children. Next column, number of students, that is a frequency. Third column is fi into xi. In the first column children, scores are given 1, 2, 3, 4. It's given in the question children. Next, frequency is also given children. 4, 6, 12, 8. N equal to 30 children. We have to add all the frequencies. We get 30. Now next column fi into xi. So fi into xi, how we get children? We have to multiply score into frequency. What is the score children? In the first box 1. In the frequency here, what is the children? 4. So 1 into 4 we get 4. And next 2 into, in the first we get children 4. In the next 2 into 6 we get 12. 3 into 12 we get 36. 4 into 8 we get 32. This way we have to find out children f into x. Frequency into score, we get children third column answers. Now children, at the last, summation fi into xi equal to 84. We have to do the total of children f into xi. Okay. Now mean children. Mean equal to summation fi into xi upon n. Here children, what we get? Summation fi xi 84 and n we got children 30. These two numbers we have to divide children. We get 2.8, that is the mean children. Therefore, the average number of trees planted is 2.8. Question number 2. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the table and answer the following question. Here children, table is given. Okay, by seeing the table we have to write the answers of the given questions. Here children, there are total 3 columns are there. First column is of children electricity used. It is given children in the units, that is the xi. Second column number of families, that is a frequency. Third column is fi into xi. Electricity is given children in the units. It's given in the question children. 30 units, 45 units, 60 units, 75 units and 90 units. Now number of families. What is given? 7 families are used 30 units electricity children. And 2 families as used 45 units of electricity. Okay, now next 8, 5 and 3. We have to do the total of frequency. We get n equal to 25. In the third column, children, fi into xi. We have to multiply. We get, children, 7 into 30, we get 210. 2 into 45, we get 90. 8 into 60, we get 480. 5 into 75, we get 375. 3 into 90, we get 270. Now we have to do the total of this all the numbers. We get summation fi xi equal to 1425. Okay, children. Now we have to answer the following questions. First question. How many families use 45 unit electricity? Okay, children, how many families are used, children? 45. Here, 2 families. Okay, 2 families are used 45 units of electricity. Second question. State the score, the frequency of which is 5. So, what is the answer, children? You have to see the table, children. Okay, you get the answer. What is the answer, children? Tell me. See the table and tell. The score is, children, 75. Okay. 5 families has used 75 units of electricity. Now the third question, children. Find n and summation fi xi. N equal to what we got, children? 25. And summation fi xi we got, children, 1425. Now the fourth question, children. Find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. Okay, children, here in the fourth question we have to find out the mean. You know, children, what is the mean formula? Mean equal to summation fi xi upon n. Here, children, 1425 upon 25, we get, children, 57. The mean of electricity used by each family is 57 units. Question number 3. The number of members in 40 families in Bihar are as follows. Here, children, number of members in 40 families is given. Based on this information, we have to prepare frequency table and find the mean of members of 40 families. First of all, we will make, children, frequency table and later on we find mean. So, here we have to draw the table, children. We make 4 columns. First column is of, children, number of members xi, tally marks. Third column is, children, number of families fi, and the fourth column is fi into xi. Here, children, members in families is given 1 and the last number, what is the, children? 7. So we start from the 1 and end with the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We stop here only, children, because the maximum number is 7. So we stop here. Now tally marks. 1 how many times repeated, children? See in the question, 2 times. So write 2. Now 2 how many times repeated, children? Count. You have to count properly, children. You should not miss any one number. If you are missing any one number, means your sum is wrong, children. Here, children, 2 has repeated how many times? How many times, children? 8 times. And 3 how many times repeated? 7 times. And 4 is repeated, children, how many times? 8 times. 5 is repeated 7 times. 6 is repeated 6 times and 7 is repeated children 2 times. Now in the next column frequency. Here we write children 2, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 2. Okay. Now the total of frequency is denoted by children N. So what is the total of frequency? 40. Now next column children Fi into Xi. Here frequency into children number of members. So 2 into 1 we get children 2. And 8 into 2 16, 7 into 3 21, 8 into 4 32, 7 into children 5 35, 6 6 are 36, 7 2s are 14. Now children this total you get summation Fi Xi equal to 156. Now you have to find the mean children. Mean formula is summation Fi into Xi upon N. Summation. What is the total of children this frequency? F into Xi 156 upon 40. When you divide children these two numbers you get 3.9. Now the last statement children. The mean of members per family is 3.9. Question number 4. The number of science and mathematics projects submitted by Model High School, Nandpur in last 20 years at the state level science exhibition is. Here children, the information is given about science exhibition. Based on this children, we have to make frequency table and find the mean of the data. So children, first of all, we draw the table. We make here 4 columns. Now children, in the first column we write number of projects Xi, tally marks, number of years that is the frequency, fourth column children Fi into Xi. Here children, what is the smallest number is given in the question? 1. And what is the biggest one children? 5. So 1 to 5 we write in the number of projects. Now tally marks. Here in the first one children, what is given? 4. Here 6. 6. Next is 3 children. Next is given 2. Here number of year children frequency 3, 6, 6, 3, 2. So here all the frequencies we have to add, we get n equal to 20. Now F into Xi children, we have to multiply frequency and Xi. So we get 3, 12, 18, 12, 10. Now we have to do total of this all the numbers children, we get 55. Now we use the mean formula children. What is the mean formula children? Mean equal to summation Fi Xi upon N, 55 upon 20. Here we divide children, we get 2.75. The mean of the data is 2.75.